And we're back, and we have the assembly complete. First things first, I'm going to show you a short video. It's about 60 seconds long, where I'm going to demo this guitar. I'm going to show you both pickups and how it sounds. So let's check it out. Alright, so there we have it. I hope you like the demo. I like doing these demos with drums and bass because I'm not great at playing without other instruments. So my first thoughts on this guitar, I really kind of love how it turned out. The idea I had with two volume pots, just one for each pickup, really stemmed from the fact that I don't use the tone control a whole lot. And it was more interesting to me to be able to blend both of the pickups together using a linear taper volume pot. The neck is set up, like I said, with a 1 meg pot. This provides extreme clarity in the pickup. Very bright, and it's also very bassy. If you like a good Nile Rodgers rhythm tone, that's kind of what this dials in. The bridge pickup produces a pretty good amount of growl. Now, if you take a look at how I have this set up, you may notice that the bridge pickup is a little lower than you'll normally see. I do that on purpose because I'm one of those weirdos that uses the bridge pickup more as a rhythm pickup and the neck pickup more as a lead pickup. And I find it valuable to have that bridge pickup lowered down, so it's always at kind of a lower volume. The bridge worked out great, like you saw in the last video. I had to move it back because of severe intonation problems. The aluminum stop tailpiece does shave off a good bit of weight. The Wilkinson tuners have been working out great. I've gigged with this guitar for the past few weeks, and I've had a lot of fun with it. Got a lot of great reactions to it. A lot of people pointed out that they thought it looks really cool, which I don't really get a whole lot with guitars that I play out live. So again, you'll find these parts at thompsonguitarparts.com. Link in the description. Let me know in the comments what you think, and see you later.